The VC-Z01 Network Volume Controller delivers precise, zone-based audio control with centralized management. Key features: supports real-time volume adjustment of all ZYCOO speakers within a specific area or zone via multicast. Program-timed actions to automatically adjust volume, set fixed levels, or mute or unmute ZYCOO speakers at specified times. Works seamlessly with all audio services. Prevents unauthorized operation. The knob automatically locks after a set idle period for secure usage. Long press the knob to unlock. Instantly silence audio with a dedicated mute button. Crafted with a premium grade 6063 aluminum alloy casing, featuring an infinite knob for smooth, stepless volume adjustment. Powered via PoE network cable. Supports flexible installation options, including wall mount installation and flush mount installation. Ideal for classrooms, meeting rooms, offices, hotels, retail stores, and various other professional environments. The VC-Z01 brings intelligent, reliable, and simplified audio control.